What should you be doing right now? Well, you should have a copy of the notes. You should be gluing them into your notebook, and you should have something to write with. So, how are you feeling on this panda scale? Storyline 2, Lesson 1. Why do cars run on gasoline and not rocket fuel? So for this one, you're completing this play posit. By the end of this lesson, you should have completed this play posit and completed your Lesson 1A notes and submitted them to Schoology. We are aiming for a minimum of 75% on both of those things. Again, why do cars run on gasoline and not rocket fuel? So storyline 1 was about the search for life. What's something that you remembered that you learned in that storyline? Storyline 2 is about fuels. We're going to investigate the relationship between humans, fossil fuels, and greenhouse gases. Let's ask some initial questions. How do you use buses, cars, or other motorized vehicles like trains and planes? What are some other ways of travel? What are the advantages of motorized transportation over walking and cycling? What are the disadvantages of motorized transportation over walking and cycling? Now look at your notes. We are going to watch a video and you're going to be answering these questions as you watch the video, and we'll discuss that in greater detail after the video.